Hungarian Hiccups Part 10. Oh wow, this jungle's huge. People are going. There's so much action to go. There's a tiger. Can you find the tiger?
Yeah, there it is. The tiger. He's a friendly tiger. But I'll bet he has a nice big roar.
I was right. We were surprised our friend Rocket. Yes, but the tiger surprised Rocket. But Pete, shh. This is what we're going. I got tired and we're going to give toys to people and.
Drives the hiccups away. Let's creep like tigers.
Creep, let's creep, retardado, creep, retardado, creep, retardado, creep, retardado, creep, retardado, slower, retardado, creep, retardado. Road! Rocket, I'm surprised.
That was some sneaky creeping. That was loud. It must have.
Now I'm gonna say to your rules, people that are scared, they will try.
Does Rocket still have the hiccups?
You're right. We'll be big these days.
Now what should we do?
The great symbol is stopping the hiccups. A tiger rule to the stopping of the hiccups.
We need the biggest.
Move his knees.
Stop Rocket's hiccups. I've got it. A geyser. A geyser? A geyser? What's a
What geyser?
It's a hole in the earth that shoots that water high into the sky. A geyser will be the biggest surprise ever. Perfect.
Two, Rocket, answer the heat around. I'm sorry. Which way is it going to start the cruise?
Starting line. The race is going to start soon.
Don't worry, Rocket. Make these knees and the hiccups.
I see the geyser holes, but June, where's all the water? Wow! This is
great. Come on, there's the geyser. Surprise, Rocket. We can use it. Start safe splash. Let's practice. Ready? Easy. Here she comes! By the way, do you want to want?
Oh, Rocket! Come
Maybe
over
he
here.
can help.
Yep, right there, Rocket. That's good. Okay.
Alright, get ready. We're gonna splash. When the music stops, say splash. Let's try it again.
Awesome!
Rocket right out of the water. right. He's gonna go the road trip. Trying to say we're gonna move these streets. You're right. It's there.
What do we do now?
The dude not gonna movie these streets.
We've got to stop these hiccups soon. The race is going to start.
Don't worry about it. Make these sneeze. Sing a sound. I couldn't too. Where did it go, Rocket? Rocket, come back!
It was just a mouse.
Rocket! That's a tiny user surprise on you. Oh man! Try again! Rocket is Hiccups. Movie, make it sneeze. No! You did! Rocket out of the rocket! Pull me out and sneeze!
Yay! Come on, we've got to get to that race. Thank you, little mouse.
The race is starting! We have to catch up!
Go!
Come on, Rocket, go! And drop! We have to help Rocket go faster! Put your hands to the melody of music! Rocket's doing it across the road!
He's behind!
Now I'm gonna catch you up fast!
Rocket,
go around the Apple Tower in Paris! Taste the Apple Tower!
Yeah, there it is!
Go Rocket! Now you're heading for the pyramids in Egypt!
Go, Rocket! Almost there! Whoa, Rocket is passing airplanes!
Well, Rocket is aiming left and right! Keep going! It comes from last mode!
In Rome! Look!
There's another plane!
Woohoo! Rocket has the plane!
We're catching up! Wow, the red plane is so big!
So big! Go,
Rocket! I can't believe what's gonna say of this.
Hooray! Rocket is passing
anyone except Dad! Bitch! Dad! Rocket, you can't pass him! Rocket is the lead. No! God! No! Bitch! No! Rocket is the lead. The video guy is getting closer. We have to path faster. Rocket is the winner! Bitch at you! We won!
Wow!
I couldn't have you do, Rocket! They are also flying!
You're welcome, Rocket.
Yes, see, that is really song. Sing us again! Go breathe it again! Mission accomplished! Who's back? Believe us! You me the water. See the. Let's clap.
Let's clap for Annie. Win. June.
And to see you.
Right.
Grab your heart, it's so we have to do sit you time.
So, and now, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Yeah, what's going on with you?
The music we heard today.
But sorry, bounce. I said bounce. Oh, get yourself! Get yourself! See it! Tomorrow's school schedule is on Thursday, away, January 8th. Yes, Hungarian Hiccups. That's the end. I'm going to have to step it out of please subscribe. What's going on? On the blog.